Hello, and welcome to the Maximo Performance Monitoring Tool provided for BPD Zenith Limited. My name is Paul, and I will be guiding you through how to use this application today. To begin with, when you browse to the link of the application shown in the address bar at the top, if you please enter the given username into the text field. Once you have entered this username, please press Login. You are now at the home screen. You will see from the top, on every page, it has a banner with what page you are on. Beneath it is the username you have just logged in with, next to Welcome. Underneath is the system status, taken from the Maximo database. Beneath that is whether the Maximo administration mode is switched on or off. In this case, it is switched off. And the current system that is being monitored. In this case, that is BPD test. Beneath that, you are presented with 5 options. There are View Performance, View Queries, My Queries, New Query, and Edit Queries. These all take you to different pages on the application for providing different tasks. Beneath that is the BPD Zenith logo. It must be noted here that pressing this button on any page will always return you back to the home page. If you require any help whilst using this application, if you click Need Help, click here. Again, available on every page. This will take you to a documented version of this user guide. We will start today by looking at the View Performance. This is the most critical part of the application as it returns back all of the performance data. This may take up to 10 seconds to run as there are a lot of background processing tasks. You can see here that the performance figures have been returned back from the application server. At the top is the SQL query for counting the number of users. Beneath that are all of the PowerShell scripts that are run in the background to present you with the data. You can see from the file name what query is being run, and then a brief description of what has been returned and the value. At the bottom, there are custom fields that have not been entered. This is because currently there are no custom queries being loaded into the system. If you need to notify another user if there is a problem, click on the Click Here to Notify button. This button takes you to the email application. From here, you can send an email to any valid email address. I am now going to put a demonstration email address in here to send an email. Once complete, click the Send Email button. The email was sent successfully. That is the message you would expect to see, providing all email addresses have been completed successfully. Click the BPD Zenith logo to return back to the home page. We will now look at the View Queries page. On here you are presented with a lot of tick boxes where you can check only one, so we will look at DB2 used memory, and from here you click Submit and you can see the expression that is being run in the background to monitor this performance tool. This format follows the same for all of those options on the previous page. Again, click BPD Zenith to return to the home page. If you wish to upload a new query, you click the New Query button. It should be noted here that this option is not actually available on an iPhone due to constraints within the operating system. However, this option is exactly the same on an Android phone, where some handsets have the ability to upload, in which case you would click the Choose File button, select the file you would like to upload, and providing that it matches the file name layout specified in the user guide, you can then click Upload File and your query will be available. This is also the same on the Edit Queries button. You press on that and you are presented with the same set of options. Again, at all times, the Need Help click here is always there for a written version of this guide. Thank you for choosing the Maximo mobile monitoring tool. I've been Paul. Thank you very much.